When you see this fire truck drifting like crazy, you might think the driver's lost his mind, but these massive ladder trucks actually have independent rear wheel steering with a dedicated operator controlling the back end. This system makes them way more maneuverable in tight spots. Even during regular lane changes, the rear section moves first, which looks totally bizarre. These ladder trucks are usually over 100 feet long, and without this rear steering system, there's no way they could navigate through narrow city streets. The rear operator has to coordinate perfectly with the main driver up front, so sometimes you'll see the front going left while the back swings right, like some kind of crazy dance move.